2008 Subaru Forester, driver's side mirror removal and panel removal. Because of this bad boy, we need to go in here because the wire is going to be about here. I took off the little cover that's here. I used one of these pick tools. There's a little cover in here as well. And we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver for this driver's side mirror. I already took off this here because we decided to do the video. And here is another bolt here. Strongly suggest that you get yourself a magnetic tip Phillips screwdriver, because as for me, I just take things apart. I don't put them together. But if anything falls, then it just stays on the tip. So it's just that, and I believe it just pops out from here. All right, just wiggle it around. Alright, so we're going to remove this door panel. I just need to get in there with the skinny screwdriver. And then we're going to start popping out these clips here. And then you could just use your hands. I mean, if not, you could continue using this little tool. Crow's foot. Alright. And then we're going to take out this molding, this bezel, by just working around it. Comes out like that, pops out, and we're going to push and then lift up. Alrighty, and that's how you take it off. You eBayers, if you guys do eBay, this will be the information that you're gonna need. I suggest take a picture of it. If you need to clean it, try not to, because sometimes it will smear. So made in Japan, and there's more information here that you want to take pictures of.